This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting, George Stephanopoulos.
Good morning. We're coming on the air right now because the Supreme Court has made a major decision on abortion rights. The court has struck down a Louisiana law which requires doctors who provide abortion services to have admitting privileges at a local hospital. I want to bring in Terry Moran for more on this right now. Terry, the opinion by Justice.
This morning, some are furious in Florida.
The beach is social distancing.
As a battle over beach closures heats up, the mayors of 3 Florida cities shouted down by hecklers.
Freedom!
Yes, sir.
While announcing their beaches will close for the upcoming 4th of July weekend. This as infections nationwide continue their rapid rise. The U.S. surpassing 2.5 million cases with more than 125,000 deaths.
The window is closing. We have to act, and people as individuals have to act responsibly. We need to social distance. We need to wear our face coverings.
This is opening day of Trader Joe's.
The health crisis causing tensions to spill over. A North Hollywood woman shamed for not wearing a mask inside a Trader Joe's.
That man harassed me for not wearing a mask. I have a breathing problem.
In California, a crush of new cases, especially in LA, forcing the governor to intervene, issuing a state order Sunday closing bars and nightclubs in LA County and 6 others, while recommending 8 counties in California take similar action. Over the weekend, record numbers recorded in Georgia, South Carolina, Nevada, and Florida, which had more than 9,500 new cases on Saturday. Governor Ron DeSantis says the biggest increase is among young people 25 to 34.
This is basically socializing. You're going out, you're doing different things.
To stop the spike, Florida now banning drinking in bars just 3 weeks after many reopened.
We're shut down. We don't have a kitchen. We don't serve food, so we can't operate.
After recording nearly 10,000 cases in a single day here in Florida, we asked Miami-Dade County's mayor about it. He said what he finds unnerving is not just the number of cases, but the percentage of people who are testing positive, guys. On Sunday in this area, 22%, which is an indication of a higher rate of community transmission.
But we're going to begin with the latest on the coronavirus crisis. The number of cases around the world has now topped 10 million, more than 500,000 deaths. At least 1 in 4 of the world's cases here in the United States, more than 2.5 million, and the death toll now over 125,000.
New cases surging in states across the South and West where testing sites like this one have been overrun with huge lines. 31 states reporting increases in coronavirus cases, 23 states showing an increase in hospital admissions. Health and Human Services Secretary Alexander Azar, he is standing by to talk about all of it with us, but we begin with Marcus Moore, who's in Houston with more. Good morning, Marcus.
Michael, good morning. Doctors here in Houston have been sounding the alarm about the number of COVID-19 cases. Over the weekend, a record number of people came to hospitals like this one across the region. This morning, as the number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. passes 2.5 million, hospitals are bracing and testing sites are overwhelmed. 7 states report a record number of new cases over the weekend, including Florida, where families began lining up at the Orange County Convention Center at 12:30 Saturday morning ahead of the testing site's 9 a.m. opening. Arkansas's governor saying increasing testing capability is the most important thing that can be done to fight COVID-19.
We've doubled the amount of our testing nationally. We've got to double it again.
New reported cases are steadily climbing across 31 states.
I'm afraid that the people of Arizona don't really know what's coming in terms of this crisis standards of care.
Over the weekend, Arizona, California, and Texas